Okay, how do I? So I'll give you an example. I paid all my staff on 115. How do
Mm-hmm.
I go? Like, how do I go view like how much each person got paid?
If you have the tab at the top that says front row report.
Yeah, front row
Okay,
reports.
so you click on that
Okay.
and you'll put your date range in, either by check date or archive date. So just go back to the beginning of January.
So if they got paid on 115,
Mm-hmm.
like, am I putting? I'll just put the check date. I'll just put 115 to 115.
Yep.
Search. Nothing there. Oh, check by check date. Okay, I see what you're saying. So January 15th was the check date. And, okay, search. Check date from 115 to 115. Search. Nothing.
Okay. Well,
Let's
then
try.
just do the archive date and go back to January 1st.
Well, let's do this now. 115 to 115. Okay, here it is. So
Okay.
basically, when you do check date, it has to be blank. Like, archive date can't have anything in there. Okay.
Right, because it's going to be one or the other.
So basically, if Nick is doing this system, he'll submit it, and then he can't check this report until the check actually hits.
No, he can check it after we process. So if you send it in on a Monday or Tuesday and we process it that day, he'll be able to check it that evening, or essentially as soon as we process it, it's going to be out here online.
Okay.
So he can definitely see it before.
So am I downloading this?
Yeah, you'll download so you can view all the reports.
Okay. This is a lot of work. This document is password protected. Enter password.
Payroll 1, capital P.
Okay, so hold on. Password of that is payroll 1.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay, so I got all this in here.
And that will bring up all of your payroll reports. So everything that essentially would be in your payroll packet when it's delivered. You can view all of that here.
So when I'm looking at that, that means who's this first person? Carrie Benacourt got 176. And then next person. Wait, hold on. Okay. Carrie Benacourt. She got
176 is what she was paid.
Next person is is that a different sheet of paper? Okay, so this whole one is Carrie Benacourt. So the second person,
There's
two per page. Okay.
Yeah.
Shakita got 195. Darius 84. Roman 400. Nicholas Green 1,120. Adriana French 137. Carla 6060. I'm about to save all of that. And then Christy 345. And then Randy 45. So then you have, what's this page? High top, Carrie, Randicourt, Seminar, Waldron.
That's just showing you the direct deposit where everybody's money went.
So 2,100. And then I have taxes. What's that subtotal? 482.28.
That is, those are just two. I guess they have their direct deposit split up, maybe.
Oh, okay. No, I see where that happened. Okay.
Oh, no, that's a different location.
Oh, okay. Well.
So it's split by location.
Okay, well, I need to make an edit to that. I need Roman Waldron to be in that second location. And then here's the thing with that. It doesn't have Nick's taxes in here.
No, it's not going to be on this page. This is just showing what went to their specific bank account. So the 1120 is his amount after the taxes come out.
So cash analysis, that payroll cost me $2,623.65.
Correct.
In the total payroll, if I add Nick's in, was $3,001. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. So this report has everything that I need.
Correct. Yes, it does.
Okay, I got the system. I appreciate it.
Okay.